Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about this error permissions 0644 for this file are to open. So basically, the error you see is permissions are to open. So this is an error which we get when we try to perform a secure file transfer from one Linux instance to another instance. So this is a command which gives that error scp-o and strict host key checking equals no. So this is some attribute we are setting it as no. And then this is a file mykeypair which we and the app.zip which we want to transfer it to this EC2 instance. This is the DNS name of that. So DNS name is saved in an environment variable to make sure we are not exposing it in the build spec file. Anyway, so this is a Linux command. So where we try to transfer the files from one Linux instance to another one. As you can see, this is failing over here because the permissions 0644 is not allowed for doing a SCP. So you cannot transfer your files if you are having the when you're trying to connect to that host using the key pair, it should not be allowed to access by others. So you have to change this permission. So how do I fix it? Is it I have to give us use chmod and change the permission to 400 only. So when you change this to that, then your SCP command will not be having any problem. So after that, when I ran this, right, so again it was trying to do the same thing and then it got transferred. So after that my files were transferred when I did chmod. So I did chmod 400 for the files for the key pair actually. This key pair is actually a private key. So let me also show you that. So when I go to yeah, so this is actually a private key. So when I'm trying to connect to an EC2 instance, I use this private key. So just make sure when you're trying to do a secure file transfer using this scp command, you're not using the private key. If you're using it, you should not have a permission which allows others also to access to it. So it should be accessible only to the current user. So you can do that using the chmod command. You can change the permissions using the chmod command. When I change it to 400, I did not get this error. So as you can see, this command is run, and then the secure file transfer has taken place. And let me go to the Linux instance to an ls. So as you can see, my file is transferred. So and this the key pair which I have used it to perform this transfer, that has to be a secure one, right? So it cannot have a permission which allows others to access this file. So that is why I have added this. And then when I do this using the key pair and I try to connect to the EC2 instance and I do the file transfer, it works, right? So when you have to check this -i and then what is the file you're giving. So that is your private key which should not have access for others. So you can change it to accessible only to you like 400 and then it works fine. So you'll not see this warning message, and then this will not allow the transfer to happen, and then it says bad permission, right? Then permission denied. So these errors you will not get uh, when you change the permission using chmod. I think that's all for this video, guys, and I thanks for watching, and let me know if you're having any other problems in the comment section below. Thank you.